Triumph has expanded its 400cc lineup with the launch of the Thruxton 400, a striking cafe racer that now serves as the halo model above the Scrambler X. The Thruxton 400 not only elevates the aesthetic appeal but also introduces a host of mechanical and ergonomic upgrades that set it apart in the mid-capacity segment. The Thruxton 400 stands out with its classic cafe racer-inspired design. It features a semi-fairing, a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and redesigned side panels that exude a retro-modern vibe. The tail section has been tweaked with a slim fender and a new taillight assembly, while a seat cowl comes as standard. The seat itself is reprofiled and wider, promoting a forward-leaning riding posture, in line with the bike's sporty intent. Clip-on handlebars and repositioned rider foot pegs contribute to a more aggressive and engaging riding stance compared to the Speed 400. Powering the Thruxton 400 is the familiar 398cc, liquid-cooled, TR series engine found in other 400cc Triumph models. However, Triumph has tuned the motor specifically for this bike, incorporating a new camshaft that helps the engine produce 2 brake horsepower more than the Speed 400. As a result, the Thruxton 400 delivers 41.4 brake horsepower at 9,000 RPM and 37.5 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM, with the power and torque now coming in higher in the rev range, making it more suitable for spirited riding. To complement the cafe racer dynamics, Triumph has made significant changes to the Thruxton's chassis and suspension. The bike features USD front forks with 135 mm of travel. At the rear, a monoshock with 130 mm of travel helps improve ride quality and handling. The bike rides on 17-inch alloy wheels and is equipped with a front and rear disc brake setup, assisted by dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. The Thruxton 400's chassis has also been revised for sportier handling. It gets a shorter wheelbase of 1,376 mm, which is 10 mm less than the Speed 400, and a lower ground clearance of 158 mm. The bike also weighs 183 kilograms, which is 4 kilograms more than the Speed 400, mainly due to the additional fairing and structural changes. Despite these tweaks, the seat height remains approachable at 795 mm, making it accessible to a wide range of riders. In terms of features, the Thruxton 400 offers a mix of modern and classic touches. It comes with an analog speedometer paired with an LCD display, ride-by-wire throttle, a slip-and-assist clutch, switchable ABS and traction control, and a USB-C charging port. The lighting setup is fully LED, adding to its premium appeal. With the launch of the Thruxton 400, Triumph has successfully brought the iconic Thruxton name to the entry-level performance segment in India. Priced at 2.74 lakh rupees ex-showroom, the Thruxton 400 offers a blend of style, performance, and premium features.